Presenting the KDLINKS X3 2.7K Super HD 2688x1520. 2018 new model KDLINKS X3 2.7K Super HD 2688x1520 wide-angle dashboard car DVR vehicle dashcam with G sensor and WDR night mode and loop recording. Support 64/128 GB. Amazon's choice for KDLINKS X3. Price, $129.95 and free shipping. Details. 2.7K Super HD quality, 2688*1520, 2018 new technology. Automatic motion detection. Once movement is detected, the X3 begins recording for a short period of time and shuts off automatically even if the vehicle is off. This advanced parking mode is essential for protecting parked cars. Superior night vision. The 6-glass lens design and wide dynamic range, WDR, give you high-definition video recording both day and night. What's more, you'll enjoy a digital 2.7K 1520p Super HD front camera for full HD coverage. High power, built-in battery. Each dashcam system not only features an HD screen, it supports a 64 GB or 128 GB micro SD card. Trusted 1-year warranty. Every KDLINKS X3 dashcam kit is backed by premier customer support, unbeatable craftsmanship and quality, and a reliable 1-year warranty to ensure you get the best product and year-round support. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe today. Thank you and come back again. Subscribe and get my latest posts automatically via email.